Hi guys, everyone talks about the continual learning in AI agents, but in practice, most systems just dump every response into a vector database and call that learning. That usually turns into vector junk, duplicating answers of data solutions in zero governance. In Agno-GO, I built something different and real learning looping. What is learning looping is not. Be very explicit. This is where you difference. Learning loop is not fine-tuned, it does not retrain the model, and it's definitely not saving full chat descriptions. The model does not change. What changes is the kernel in use. Learning loop in a small layer on top of a kernel store. Walk through the cycle. The user asks a question. The agent retrieves relevant memories. RAG. The agent answers. After the answer, the system decides. It is reusable. It is safe. It is stable enough to keep. If yes, we store a canonical artifact. Is not full answer. Learning looping learn artifacts, not conversations. Learning looping are culture. Culture is about how the agent behaves. Learning loop is about what the agents know. Quick example. Culture prefers short answers, prefer languages, turn on formatting. Learning looping steps to add an HTTP, routing go, reusability, and technical decisions on role. Let's run this example for you see how this work. Now I run my basic example using loop learning. The most important part, users don't confirm. This is where your design really stands out. In real life, users almost never say, "That's ordered." What actually happens? They ask a follow-up. They move to the next step. They ask the same thing again later. They never explicitly confirm. So explain your solution. Your looping does not really on explicit confirmation. Memory used, follow questions, continuous progress, increase hits, and use tracks, negative feedback. Governance in learning looping. Learning looping with governance is worse than no learning. Key controls. State uses, candidate verified, deprecated, deterministic duplication, versioning, confident, and use metrics, strict user isolation, learning use ID. Every learning artifact is traceable, linkable, and reversible, not code need. User ask how will the routing go? Learn looping stored candidate artifact. User ask about carry parents. Later ask again about routes. With anyway, say it's working. The memory just auto-permitted. Learning looping is not magic. It's software engineer applied to agents. It solves the real problem how agents improve over time with tuning in shells. With this, thank you for watching. I see you next.